Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar deck lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the BKBB PPBB Solar Deck Lights Outdoor, a set of 20 solar step lights priced at $21.99, making it the most budget-friendly option on this list. These lights deliver high performance thanks to their polysilicon solar panels, which achieve an impressive 18% photoelectric conversion rate. They charge fully in just 4 to 5 hours on sunny days and provide up to 14 hours of illumination, ensuring reliable nighttime visibility. The design features a warm white LED glow that's both functional and subtle, making it ideal for enhancing safety on steps, patios, and pathways without being overly bright or harsh. The build quality is solid, with a robust ABS shell that ensures durability against rain, wind, and even light snow. Installation is versatile. You can use screws or double-sided stickers to mount these compact lights wherever needed. While the BKBB PPBB lights are an excellent option for those on a budget, they do have a slightly lower brightness compared to premium models. Nonetheless, for $21.99, they offer incredible value for anyone looking to add illumination to their outdoor spaces without breaking the bank. Perfect for homeowners seeking affordability and basic functionality. At number 4, we have the Ozem Solar Deck Lights Outdoor 16-pack, priced at $24.99. These lights stand out for their peel and stick design, which makes installation incredibly easy and convenient. Whether you're adding illumination to your deck railing, balcony, or garden pathway, these lights offer versatile placement options and an elegant warm white glow that enhances both safety and aesthetic appeal. The build quality is commendable, featuring durable, waterproof construction that can withstand rain and harsh weather conditions. The compact design ensures they remain unobtrusive while providing reliable lighting for outdoor spaces. With a focus on energy efficiency, these lights use high-quality solar panels to absorb sunlight during the day and deliver long-lasting illumination at night. While these lights excel in convenience and design, their brightness is moderate, making them better suited for decorative purposes rather than high-intensity lighting needs. Overall, the Ozem Solar Deck Lights are ideal for homeowners looking for stylish, low-maintenance lighting solutions for patios, decks, and railings. Now at number 3, we have the Patio Solar Lights Outdoor, a set of 6 motion sensor lights, priced at $25.99. These lights offer advanced functionality with 3 lighting modes, including a motion sensor mode that activates only when movement is detected, making them perfect for energy-efficient security lighting. The design is modern and compact, featuring a black ABS shell that's both durable and waterproof. These lights can withstand heavy rain and intense sunlight, making them a reliable choice for year-round use. The solar panels are highly efficient, ensuring quick charging during the day and providing bright illumination at night. With 200 lumens of brightness, these lights are significantly more powerful than standard deck lights, making them ideal for driveways, gardens, and entryways. While the Patio lights excel in performance and versatility, the 6-pack may not cover larger spaces as comprehensively as some of the higher-ranked options. However, if you're looking for motion sensor functionality and bright, focused lighting, these are a fantastic choice. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Gigalumi LED Solar Deck Lights, a 16-pack priced at $24.99. These lights are known for their subtle yet effective warm white glow, providing just the right amount of illumination for stairs, fences, and patios without being overpowering. This makes them a great choice for families who prioritize safety during nighttime navigation. The design is sleek and modern, with a matte finish and durable ABS construction that ensures weather resistance. The auto on-off feature is a convenient addition, allowing the lights to charge during the day and illuminate automatically at dusk. Installation is straightforward, with options to use screws or 3M tape, making it easy to integrate these lights into your outdoor setup. While the brightness is lower compared to motion sensor models, the Gigalumi lights strike an excellent balance between functionality and aesthetics. They're ideal for homeowners looking for reliable, unobtrusive lighting for decks and pathways at a reasonable price. Finally, at number 1, we have the Solpex Solar Deck Lights Outdoor, a premium 16-pack priced at $29.99. These lights stand out for their high-quality build and performance, featuring a brown shell and warm white LED that adds a touch of elegance and functionality to any outdoor space. They charge fully in 4 to 5 hours of sunlight and automatically illuminate at dusk, ensuring seamless operation. The design is compact yet sturdy, with a hard ABS shell that can withstand rain, wind, and light snow. The lights are perfect for illuminating stairs, decks, fences, and pathways, enhancing safety and visibility, while maintaining a stylish appearance. Installation is simple and versatile, allowing you to mount them with screws wherever direct sunlight is available. Although these lights are the most expensive on the list, their combination of durability, aesthetics, and reliable performance makes them worth the investment. Ideal for homeowners seeking top-notch. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.